Well, it's been exactly 1 month since the deadly floods in the Hill Country. As the fight over redistricting is taking center stage, many are wondering when the special session will focus on improving emergency preparedness across the state. Joining us live from the newsroom is Kevin Reese. And Kevin, when this all started, there were countless comments about what are we going to do after that tragedy there?
Certainly there have been, and at this 1 month mark since that flooding disaster, the Texas House has advanced redistricting as the first item in that special session, as we've been talking about. But bills to help with Central Texas flooding have not advanced for a vote as of yet. Multiple bills, including one that would require warning sirens in high flood risk zones, have been proposed in the Texas House. Flood survivors begged for something like that in Kerrville at that hearing last week. Today, however, redistricting was the only item on the House calendar. Republicans and Democrats argue over the optics of that, who looks worse in this fight. There have been 9 hearings on redistricting so far, but only 2 hearings on flooding relief. Democrats, as we've been talking about, made their case today from New York, Chicago, and Boston.
They didn't want to do anything for the people of Texas. They're bending the knee to President Donald Trump.
I think if there's a deal, if there's a product, a legislative product that's ready to go, I think it would be moving. But again, the flood relief thing is complicated, and they're not quite ready to do that.
A month after the deadly floods that killed 138 people, 3 are still missing, including Jeff Ramsey of Louisville. A memorial service for his wife, Tanya, also in that picture, scheduled for this coming weekend. Jason.
All right, Kevin, thank you for the update this afternoon.